Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with QuickSwap step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for QuickSwap and hit enter. Once the website loads, look for the Connect Wallet button. Click on the Connect Wallet button. A list of supported wallets will appear on your screen. Select the wallet you wish to use for registration. If you're using MetaMask, make sure it is installed and set up on your browser. After selecting your wallet, a prompt will appear asking you to grant access. Review the permissions requested and click Confirm. You will now be connected to QuickSwap. Once connected, look for the option that says Get Started or similar. Click on that option to proceed with the registration process. Next, you'll see various token pair options available for trading. Choose the token pair you want to trade. You'll also have the option to add liquidity if that's your intent. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your trades or add liquidity. After completing your desired action, check your wallet for confirmed transactions. Congratulations, you are now registered and ready to use QuickSwap. Explore the platform to familiarize yourself with its features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.